So I'll be showing you how you can see and also manage which applications are accessing the camera of your Mac. So this could be the webcam on your Mac or even a MacBook. Now for this tutorial, I'm using the MacBook Air running macOS Ventura, but you can use these instructions for other Mac computers. Go to the Apple logo in the top left corner and click on that, and then select System Settings. On the System Settings window, scroll down on the left hand side and until you get to Privacy and Security. Click on that, and then go to Camera. Click on that, and here you can see a list of all the applications that have access to your camera or that might have access to your camera. So for instance, we have Microsoft Edge, we have Chrome, we have OBS Studio, and WhatsApp. So I can be able to see which applications have access to my camera or could have access. So for instance, if I want to revoke access to from Microsoft Edge, all I have to do is go to Microsoft Edge and turn that off, and then select that, and now Microsoft Edge will no longer have access to my camera. Now it's going to relaunch the browser with a new setting, but from now on Microsoft Edge will not have access to my camera until I grant it. So all these applications with the option enabled, you can see this blue button, those ones have access to the camera, and the ones that are turned off cannot have access to the camera unless I enable like that. Select quit and reopen, which is basically going to restart that app with a new permission. And that is basically how to see and manage applications that have access to your Mac's camera. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.